Hey everyone, welcome back to Demented Tech Review. Today, we're diving in iPhone 17e, leaks and rumors. So here's a question already buzzing in the Apple community. Will there be an iPhone 17e? With the iPhone 17 series expected to launch later this year, rumors are swirling about a new budget model in early 2026. Today, we're breaking down all the latest leaks, what to expect, and how Apple is reshaping its entire iPhone release strategy. Earlier this year, Apple released the iPhone 16e, a smart replacement for the aging SE lineup. It's essentially an iPhone 14, refreshed with the newer A18 chip, slightly underclocked, support for Apple Intelligence, a single rear camera, a 60Hz OLED display, dynamic island, the action button emphatic, and yes, USB-C charging. Originally priced at $599, recent deals have dropped it to around $499. Making it one of the most accessible modern iPhones. Now, let's talk about the iPhone 17e. According to top Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, this phone is coming, and we're looking at a release window between February and May 2026. Why the spring launch? Apple's reportedly changing things up. Going forward, Pro and foldable iPhones will release in the fall, while entry-level and standard models, like the E-series, will launch in the spring. So yes, the iPhone 17e could become part of a new annual budget iPhone cycle. Now, what should we expect and what not to? Let's start with what's not coming. ProMotion 120Hz display? Not happening, at least not in this budget model. Even if the regular iPhone 17 gets it, Apple will likely hold back that feature from the E-series. Now, what's possible? A new A19 chip, if Apple uses it in the standard 17. New color options? Maybe even the return of product Red, but if the base iPhone 17 sticks with the A18, the 17e will likely do the same. And honestly, that's still plenty capable. So what's the takeaway? The iPhone E lineup is here to stay. Apple is carving out a new spring release window for entry-level models, offering a more affordable way to access modern iPhone features without paying flagship prices. Whether it's the 17e or an 18e in the future, one thing's clear: the budget iPhone just got a permanent spot on Apple's calendar. Make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next big Apple leak.